welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making kung pao chicken. It's a Chinese takeout loaded with spicy chicken, peanuts, and vegetables. For our ingredients, we have boneless, skinless chicken breast, roasted peanuts, dried red chilies, oil, fresh ginger, garlic, and scallions. For our marinade, we have cornstarch, soy sauce, Chinese rice wine, and for our sauce, we have soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, black vinegar, water, and cornstarch. First thing you want to do, you want to cut your chicken meat into small cubes. You want to rinse in water and pat dry with a paper towel. Next, we're going to add our marinade ingredients to our chicken. Here we're adding our rice wine, our oil, our soy sauce, and our cornstarch. We're just going to mix it up really well, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. We're going to marinate this chicken for about 30 minutes. We're going to heat up our pan with 1 tablespoon of oil, and we're going to stir fry our marinade chicken until the chicken is at least 70% cooked. We're going to take it out our wok and we're going to set it aside. We're going to clean our wok and we're going to move on to cooking our vegetables. Here we added 2 tablespoons of oil. Here we added our ginger. And next we're going to add our garlic slices. First we're going to do a quick stir, and next we're going to add in our peppers. I just added these peppers to add color to our meal. We're going to give those a quick stir, and next we're going to add in our red chilies. Now we're going to stir fry the red chilies until they are aromatic and it smells spicy. Then we're going to add our chicken meat. We're going to do a few quick stirs before adding our roasted peanuts and our sauce. So here we're just going to mix in our chicken. Now we're adding in our cornstarch. Here we're adding in our soy sauce. Next, we're adding in our dark soy sauce. Next, we're adding in our sugar. Here we add in our water. And next we're adding in our black vinegar. And we're just going to give that a quick stir. This is a really easy and quick meal that you could cook on one of those weeknights when you don't want to cook, but you really want to cook. All you have to do is just have your ingredients and just marinate your chicken for at least 30 minutes. And you have some steamed rice, and it's just as easy as that. And next we're going to add in our roasted peanuts. We're going to stir continuously until the chicken meat is nicely coated with the sauce. And here we're just going to garnish with some green onions. You want to dish out and serve immediately with some steamed rice. Today we made kung pao chicken. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like more videos and recipes like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.